Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of this video here. We've just completed successfully jetting the line, and we cambered the line all the way out. I think it's about 220 or so feet. It goes straight out about 130 feet and then takes a sharp right, and we can clearly see that this line had a liner installed at one point. Okay, so we're going to pull the camera back and you can see the difference between what it was before and what it is right now. So go ahead and watch the video. See how the entire thing is clean. You see that little ripple effect right there? That's the top of the liner because they had to put air in it to expand it and get it to go to the circumference of the pipe. And sometimes there's a little bit of ripples, but that doesn't make a difference at that point. Now, apparently the MDC had an as-built showing the line taking a left and not a right, which we will show clearly that's incorrect. You can see it clearly take a right-hand turn. Okay, so as you can see the hose going to the right, that's a clay tile. Looks like a clay tile Y fitting without the 45. We have a little bit of roots built up right here, and this looks like concrete line.
So they lined it as far as they did, probably because it changed material there.
Yeah. Also, it's your line and probably not theirs. Could be. So, in your honest opinion, how do you feel your line is now compared to where it was when we first started?
Way better so far. You're getting into the area now where you saw some roots and crap before.
Now, these joints typically have roots coming into them. Clay tile, cast iron, concrete. Once the water starts leaking past the joint, it gives the roots a place to drink water and they make a home there. Now, you don't always have to excavate the line. You can just do a maintenance on it. Being totally honest with you, you're better off having us come out, looking at your line, cleaning it, and giving you a diagnosis. There's a lot of people out there who just want to tell you need to dig it up. You don't really have to. It's all about what you want to spend. If you're the kind of person that has to have it done right the first time, every single time, and you have the financial means to do so, yeah, replace it or get a liner, fix it. But you don't always have to. And we specialize in making sure that the job is done the correct way and honestly, so that way you don't have to spend money you don't need to. No one wants to hear out of nowhere you have to dig up your sewer line, because you know right off the bat it's thousands of dollars. We're going to go back in with the camera and locate corners like I was telling you about.
So those places where the roots that it is chopped out, for the most part, I haven't saw a couple of tiny ones maybe, but it's way better than it was. Those roots are going to come back.
Yes.
For sure.
Absolutely.
And so, how long?
Well, you've been here for 30 years, you said?
Yeah, 34 actually.
34 years, and you're just now having a root infestation issue.
Well,
right?
no, I've had a problem before.
You how long ago?
Well, 2 years ago.
Okay.
It could be an interesting story. 2 years ago, I had a problem, and I put it on the list. Of course, I didn't have it jetted. I had it.
You had it. Okay, so it didn't actually get the roots all the way out.
Right.
Okay.
And then, actually, this past May, I had them come out on a proactive basis. You know, there's no blockage, and run the thing down through it again.
Okay.
And then I had a problem a week ago.
Okay. So 1 week in between cabling. I got you. So the roots grew. You cabled it, poked a hole, and now that we've cleaned the roots, now we see just how long it takes until it backs up again, and then we have a real time measuring for how long it takes to back up. All right. So we're at 218 feet exactly. Okay.
From the bottom.
Yep, from the bottom of the pipe.
Bottom there.
All right, thank you for watching our completion video. Should you need any sewer and drain services, storm drains, any drain issues at all, we can bring it back to its original condition and give you the best financial option to finish the job the right way. Thank you for watching the video. You can look us up at allthingsdrain.com.